Hey there, in this video, we are going to dive into a topic called variables in Python. Before we get into the video, if you are new to here, make sure you have subscribed and hit the bell icon for latest updates. Let's get into the video. Initially, we start off with what is a variable. Variable is like a container that stores the value in the Python program. They can be used anywhere in the program. For this, let me give you a real world example. If you are going to store water in a water bottle and when you feel thirsty, you will intake it. Like the same, you will declare a variable with some values and you will use it whenever you want in the program. Here, I have mentioned some of the steps to create a variable. The very first step is to give the variable a name. The variable name is fully based on your wish. You can give the name that is easy for you to remember, and the variable name depends on the purpose of creating. And the second step is to use the equal operator to instantiate the value to it. It represents that the value after the operator is fully belongs to the variable you have created. And at last, you have to assign some values to the variable that you have created and you can use it anywhere in the program. In the upcoming slides, I will give you some examples showing how to store different types of values in the variable. That the values may differ in their data types. No worry if you don't know about data types. I will give you a short overview about it with an example. Here, I have created a variable called intvar and assigned the value 10 to it, which represents that it is a variable to store integer value. The variable name specified here is optional, meaning you can give your own. In this slide, I have created a variable called doublevar and stored the value 10.023, which represents that it is a variable to store double values. Double values means decimal values. Here, I have created a variable called boolean var. This is used to store boolean values. Boolean means true or false. When you created a boolean value, true can be represented as 1 and false can be represented as 0. In this example, I have created a variable called character var. Characters in the sense it represents a individual characters. The individual characters must be enclosed with a single quotes or even double quotes. In the character var, I have assigned a character a to it. In this example, I have created a variable called string var that is used to store string. In our previous video, I have told you that string is a group of words that must be enclosed within single, double or even triple quotes. To create a variable, we have to follow a set of rules. The rules are given below. Variable name can start with an uppercase, lowercase and also with the underscore characters. Here, I have created three variables, variable 1, variable 2 and variable 3. In the first example, I have created a variable 1 that starts with a capital letter, that is uppercase letters. And in variable 2, I have created the variable that starts with the lowercase letter. And in the third example, I have created a variable that starts with an underscore. Variable name can be a number, but it should have a letter or word at its prefix. If the variable has more than 2 words, it can be separated by the underscore special characters. Numbers cannot be used as a variable name. If you declare it, it will result in an error. Here, I have created a variable 1234 and it will result you in an error. We should not leave space between the letters in the variable. It will also result in the error. Special characters are not allowed except the underscore. For this, I have created a variable called variable star. It will also result in the error because except underscore, any other symbols cannot be used as a variable. Thanks for watching and see you soon guys.